Hello everyone, my name is Cao Kit and my teammate is Wong Chia. We are students from Chia UMT and we have enrolled in a diploma program at Information Technology. Now we are going to explain what we are done in the for this AACS 2034 Fundamental of Computer Networking assignment.
First of all, this assignment requires us to complete the task related to setting up local area network and network configuration based on the scenario below by using Cisco Packet Tracer. Not only that, we've configured initial setting on all the intermediary network device. Use Cisco as password for all lines and AACS2034 as secret password. We configure addressing on all intermediary network device and some end device in each location, which depend on our network device and verify IP net connectivity between all devices in different locations. The large faculty office are in different floor of location B, which is next to location A with a distance of 100 meters. This is the table that showing the number of address needed for 20% growth in all the faculty. For the address design part, the location A, we are using class C since the number of hosts required are below than 255 hosts. Here is showing the number of hosts required after at 20% growth. Next, the subnet address will be 192.16.0.0 because it is the starting IP address from these classes. And how we can find the first usable address is add 1 into the network address that we found out. The way that we find the last usable address is -1 at the last of the range address. The broadcast address is last value inside the range of addresses. Moving to location B, we are using class B to design because the range of hosts require exceed 255 and below than 65,534 hosts. So by default, the subnet address is 172.16.0.0. And look at here. Why is it 4 here? This is because each one represents 225 hosts that have exist. And there are 1,024 hosts. So we have to put 4. In location A, we are using copper strap 2 cable to connect between router and switches. The interface will be gigabit internet 9/0, 3/0, and so on. And the other department also using the same methods. For the switch part, we have ground floor, first floor, second floor, and third floor. The interface that we use is VLAN 1. So I will pass it to Kit to continue his presentation. Thank you.
Okay. So please stop share screen. Okay. I will show how we in networking works. So in our assignment, the requires needs to build two locations. So one location, one router, and one location got 4 flow. So the router that we choose is an empty router. because we need to set up the board that we want to use. So all the boards I choose is gigabit. And now I explain the location B. For example, this switch, I use all the port and all the port link to the 24TT switch. So the 24 port link to the device. So I got 9 port linked to the 24TT switch. So for example, I use all. The maximum host is only get 216. So I multiply 3 times, then we get 648 hosts. And still not enough the 720 hosts. So I did an additional switch to make it bigger until we can access the 720 hosts. So in same concept, here I multiply 2 times. Here I multiply 2 times. And now, why router to router is red color link? Because router to router I use fiber optic cable, and the distance is over the 100 meter already, so cannot use the crossover cable. Now I will showing. I pin the PC from the floor to ground floor. So I random choose one floor, copy, and then paste it, enter, waiting for the result. For the first time request timeout is use switch to communicate to another switch, and then only can pass out the data or message something. So first time we will lose the 25%. So we, for example, we connect one more time, it will 0% loss. So 100% pass the message. Okay. Now I pass the message router to router now. I choose the second floor. I choose the second floor PC, ping to the router B1, ping to this PC. So I copy this and choose back, paste it, and then enter, waiting for the result. So we go. So for the first time, router link ping to another router. Actually, we got 2 request timeout. First request timeout is communicate with the router, and then second request timeout is communicate with the switch. Here only got 1 request timeout because before that I got ping 1. I got ping 1 more time already. So here we got 25% loss. We ping again, and then we got 0% loss. That means successful to pass the message up. So now I will talking about the digital resource that we use. First, Cisco packet tracer. That is we use to design our network. Second, Google Docs we use to put our document. And last one is Zoom. Let us to present and record the video. This is all my presentation. Thank you for watching our video, and I hope you guys like it. Thank you.